Hlangela Jehovah Bina. Somebody Dumelang, hello, my name is Malwande and welcome to my channel. So by the time you're watching this, it'll probably be January, but this is my birthday photoshoot vlog. Now, fun fact, I actually really love photoshoots a lot. I just haven't had one, especially related around the time of my birthday. I haven't had one since 2021, I think. So yeah, it's time to do it again. This time though, I do not have a photographer, but this time it's me and my phone and my brain, my creativity and hope and faith against the world. I am turning 28 in the next 2 weeks. It is December. On the 23rd is my birthday, and so a few days before then I want to just, you know, commemorate my life and just give praise to God and create more memories with myself by planning a photo shoot right here at home. To be honest, I have a rough idea of what I want, not really concrete and set in stone. Yeah, so I guess we're just gonna wing it. First things first, we need an outfit. So you see this off the shoulder dress, the white one and the black one, they did not fit me, so I ended up not trying them on, girl. Here is my little OOTD. This is what I wore to church today. Very comfortable, very girly, yes. Now this is giving take me to an island girl with some nice Bora Bora braids. You get what I'm saying? It was not ideal for a birthday shoot, but I loved it. Didn't take it. This white dress was so comfortable, but I did feel like a 16-year-old more than my age, so I didn't take it. I also don't like that whole back thing going on, but yeah, cute dress. Instead, yeah, I tried it in a different color, and you know what? I love this color. Not ideal for my shoot, but I absolutely took it home because I don't own an orange dress. Can you imagine? Brown skinned girl who doesn't have an orange dress. We're changing that today. Hi, guys. This one is giving animo legelela uvanoveng ashate mnganika. Ah, hela matale tluhela dipitsa tseo ngwatsu wena ke yo etla hela matale. It's giving unglobola nini phakathi wayo. Ayibo lengubo, it even has a duck. I didn't take it. Obviously sana akukho mshado akukho lobola, but yeah, perfectly ideal for that. Slalela ithi nje vulela amandwendwe. Love that it has pockets, but obviously not suitable for the occasion. So ke isele stolo dal. Now this one, I loved this dress. This dress fit me so well, but it was definitely making me feel like ngi 2K ngaishiya. Lena ngiyayithanda. It has straps which I tucked in. Absolutely perfect. It was giving Christmas lunch, and I took it for that purpose to wear for Christmas. Not ideal for my birthday situation. But yeah, it also has small pockets, such a comfortable fit. Next, I went to Mr. Price to go see what I can find there. And I tried on things that have nothing to do with the photo shoot, like this black dress. This black dress is beautiful, but let's be honest, guys, I'm not too sure. Now, this one took me back to my early 20s. This used to be my style. But right now, I was just like, Dali, this is a sikone. But it fit me so comfortably, but I'm just not in the business of showing my boobies like that anymore. Except for my future husband. So I tried it the other way around, ne? Because this I'm comfortable with. I'm okay with exposing my back, but I was just like, I'm not too sure about this.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you. Till my soul land, could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see I? And now I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be better. It's making me better. I'm starting a new thing. It's making me
I'm going back to Woolworths. The flowers at Checkers are just not what I'm looking for, so back to Woolworths. Like I didn't just come here from now.
What would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just can't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side. And it's okay.
They don't have a number 2 of these. That's awkward. No sparkly candles. They're so pretty, but there's no number 2. After much walking up and down, I'm back home. I'm so tired. So the chat with the balloons, first of all, where I bought the balloons, they didn't have helium, they were out of stock. They told me to go to Cardi's. I got to Cardi's, they told me 20 rand per balloon. I was like, Kohlrani, I'm not doing that. I had 9 balloons and I was just like it was never that deep, okay? It was never that deep. This is just for pictures, okay? It's not like for a party or anything big and massive that I must spend that much. So the lady at the shop where I got the balloons, sorry, I'm sweating. The lady where I got the balloons told me that I should try go to the garage. So I went to engine garage. They told me, Uti, they don't have the air that will make the balloon float. But I was just like, you know what? Just fill up the big balloon for me, please. So the guy did that. Shem, he was so nice. In the packet, the straw that's meant to be there to block the balloons was not there. The balloons didn't come with string. I didn't know they don't come with string. So now I'm just like bored. What I'm glad about is that the cake I got from Woolies actually has caramel filling. They have a special edition for Christmas, I guess. I'm so happy because if you know me, you know that I love caramel. And it's got white butter icing. I love that. Yeah, but I'm exhausted. I ended up walking back. I was just like, you know what, actually, since the balloons didn't get blown up, there's no need for me to request. I should just walk home. So I did that. But essentially I got everything that I need for my shoot. I'm actually deciding that I will do my shoot on my birthday. Tomorrow I would rather just rest. I need to rest my feet. I just need time out, okay? I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna watch church online. I'm just gonna chill the heck out, okay?
I'm in awe. Oh my God, you amaze me. You're the bomb, and I just be setting the stage. So let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in the daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't command my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus, I surrender all. To thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live. I surrender all.
On this lip thingy in my cosmetic stash and I completely forgotten about it. Obviously it's a dupe, this is what it looks like, and it literally does not rub off for all of eternity.
Assignment of solutions. Essence of God in their form. And what do I mean by that? I don't mean the Holy Spirit, because you have to go through a whole process and accept Jesus. But what I mean is that that child is a word from God.
I can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the sun. Numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, call me home, and so his will be done. There's hope.
I either wear this top or this dress, and you know what, I think I've made up my mind. Oh, okay, my boobs. Yeah, I don't want all of that boobage. Shit outfits. The same. You are the same. We'll come and go. We'll come and go.
You know me by my name, but I chose the world instead of you. Had no clue why the days were so blue. Only if I recognize you're not a man like you should lie. With him, there's hope for tomorrow. With him.
Very unflattering angle. Basically, one of these, it popped when I was trying to stick it to the wall. As I explained, the whole helium situation didn't work out. So, you know what your girl's gonna do? I'm gonna take these little shines, these things that all fell onto the floor, and I'm gonna press stick them onto the wall to give myself a little bit of a zhuzhed up background. This is what growing older means, okay? You come up with solutions instead of crying. Well, you cry, then you come up with the solution. Se Klangela Jehovah Bina Je Umororise Jehovah Bina.
Walking all alone on this weary road. Heavy burdens on my shoulders with no one to bear the load. Thought I could do it by myself, guess I was wrong. Then I heard a small voice say, this time you don't need to be.
This is my little setup. I have this mirror so that I can see myself. My phone will be here, obviously in the portrait way. I cannot necessarily film the BTS of me taking my actual pictures because I need this very same phone that I'm filming on now. Yeah, but I have this old ring light that I've put a mirror on. I use this even to film my videos. Yeah, so I do that so I can see myself. And this is the wall. We decorated it. It's all ready to go. These are the nails. I just need to put on earrings. There we've got the young playlist. Just of some of my top songs from this year, from age 27, I guess. So yeah, masforte kaloku, masforte. Forgot to mention, I also have a Bluetooth remote. It's a Bluetooth remote. It came with the selfie stand that my phone is on. This stand came with this remote. So that's how I take my own pictures. When you're the photographer, the stylist, the decor person, the coordinator,